Hello, it's me, Clara, one of the graphic artists working on our game Crescent Moon. Since my last devlog, I've done a lot of work. The thing that I've been focusing on is the character's heavy attacks. In my last devlog, I showed you the first frame of Jasper's neutral attack. That's now done, and this is how it turned out. As you can see, he swings his cane like a baseball bat. When making this animation, I ran into a problem when I was making the trails. The motion isn't flat since he's swinging it from one side to the other. I then had to make the trails look like they were swinging from the right side to the left side. The way I solved this was just to redraw it like 500 times until it looked fine. I've also made Jasper's crouch frame and down attack. The way that Jasper was supposed to crouch at first didn't end up looking good. I solved the problem by simply changing the pose. The new pose looked like this. In the down attack, I didn't run into any problems, so I won't talk about that. But this is how the finished animation looks. When I was making the jump attack for Jasper, I realized that the 64 pixels high frames we were using wouldn't fit Jasper's cane when he swings it over his head. We then had to resize all of the previous animations again, which took some time. As the trails for the jump attack, we used crescent moons just for fun. And the finished animation looks like this. I've also made all of Abby's heavy attacks. Abby's crouch was really easy to make since her thighs aren't showing. I just had to draw some parts of the legs and the feet. Her jump, neutral, and forward attacks are really similar, so making them was easy. When I had the first done, I just had to rotate some parts and fix them a bit. And the results look like this. After that, I made some of the light attacks. They're mostly just different jabs, so they aren't so impressive. I did realize that they look way too weak, and that is something I'll probably fix if I get more time. I also made these lights that light up when you win a round. I made Jasper's green and Abby's purple since that matches their colors. We haven't put those in the game yet, though. I think the last thing I made was the control screen. It tells you what attacks there are and what buttons to press. We did realize that we forgot to tell the players how to block and jump, so that is something I will add. And I think that's all I've done.